Hey guys, Greg from FactionFab here with another product video. This is the FactionFab Pitch Stop Mount for Subarus. Anyone who has modified a Subaru is familiar with the pitch stop mount, as it is a very common modification. The engine is held in place by three main mounting points. There are two underneath that connect it to the subframe, which are angled slightly in. These will prevent the motor from moving left, right, up, and down. The third mount is the pitch stop mount, which is located on top, connecting the engine to the firewall. This is designed to control the forward and back, aka pitch, movement. The recipe for a new pitch stop mount is usually the same: a billet aluminum mount with two polyurethane or solid bushings on the ends. Softer bushings allow for some flex and more comfortable ride, while going up in hardness gives you more feedback and control, but also more noise, vibration, and harshness. However, in recent years, we began to see a bending of the firewall mount or total failures in the mount spot welds, particularly when harder polyurethane or solid mounts were used, because the left to right twisting load of the engine was being transferred into the firewall mount. So when we started to design our pitch stop mount, we knew it needed to be different from any other mount on the market to address this problem. This is done by the addition of a spherical bearing on the engine side of the mount. This bearing allows up to 20 degrees of rotation in the engine while being at the same level of a solid mount when it comes to controlling the front and back pitch movement. Coupling this with a 95A polyurethane bushing on the firewall side, we can avoid the harshness that comes with a full solid mount, giving you a mount with a full range of daily drivability and track performance without any risk of damaging your car. This is a very easy modification to add to your car, done with just a few basic tools. The mount will fit many different generations and models of the Subarus, and not all steps will be the same. But to give you a general idea, let's walk through the install right now on our 2008 STI. The pitch stop mount is going to be located underneath the intercooler. I've seen people do a pitch stop mount without removing the intercooler, but it's 100 times easier to do it out of the way. So there's 4 different things you're going to have to remove on this model. The mounting brackets on the side, the bypass valve, the PCV hard pipes, and then the 2 hoses going in and out of the intercooler. Once we have everything loose, it's just a matter of pulling it up and out. And we're off. So these are held in by 14 millimeter. You have a nut and a bolt on this side, and then just a bolt on this side, and the nut on this side is going to be welded to the mount. And our stock pitch stop mount is out. All we do is slide our new one in place. once you have everything tightened, go ahead and put your intercooler back on and you're all set. We're not quite done in here, so stay tuned on our next video where we're gonna check out how to install a turbo blanket on the car. We'll see you next time.